Welcome to the Rincon model at Willows at Bella Vista, a thoughtfully designed new construction home by Beazer Homes located here in Santan Valley, Arizona. In this video, I'm taking you inside the Rincon floor plan to showcase its layout, design features, and what makes this home a great option for buyers looking for modern living, energy efficiency, and value in one of the fastest growing areas in the Phoenix metro. Now, as you can see, when you come in, you have this first floor bedroom here. Nice natural lighting. You have the you have a closet there. And then off of this bedroom, there is a full bath. Nice. And as we go around the corner here, you have a closet which has under the stairs storage, which is a nice feature for just some of the things that you just want tucked away. You have some extra storage space down there to get it tucked in and out the way for you. And you have formal dining. Okay. And as we come here, we have the great room. And then you also have another area where you can put a table if you want to eat closer to the kitchen and watch some TV as you're eating. And then you have the other side for dining if you just want to talk and have some family time, or just not have the TV going while you're eating dinner. I do like this kitchen. It has a nice size island with additional storage as well as seating. You have the two-tone cabinets, the nice blue backsplash. And those cabinets will definitely come in handy to store some more things, because I know I have a lot of kitchen appliances and gadgets, so that would definitely help me out. And then you have your 5-burner on the gas range. Nice convection cooking oven. I like the farmhouse sink on here too. I know this is not about me, I'm just pointing out stuff that I like. But the farmhouse sink is very nice. Now, I do help buyers navigate builder incentives, negotiate upgrades, compare communities, and protect their interests throughout the new construction process. You can schedule a private tour or get current pricing and incentives by contacting me directly, or visit my website to get started. I like how this backyard is set up. You have your nice little fire pit area, how they have it done out here, and then some cornhole, but you still have room for sitting or just to do whatever you choose to do. You do have that covered patio if you want to get away from the sun a little bit, but nice big backyard where you can pretty much do what you want to do back there, even if you decide to put a pool. All right, so now let's see, I'm going to take you around, look at the pantry. Nice size pantry. See-through door is an option. I'm sure that's an upgrade. And you have your mudroom area here. Just some extra storage as well off of the garage. Now, this particular plan, you can have it in a 4 to 5 bedroom, and you can have a 3.5 to 4 bath. And it's 2,722 square feet up to 2,766 square feet. And I think it's great that they already have the outlet there for the electric charging station. So if you have an electric car, you can definitely go ahead and have your charger set up because the outlet is already pre-wired for you. Or actually, what's it? I need to go back and look at that because I'll double check. All right, so let's go ahead and go up these stairs. Now the base price for this home is $465,990. You have this loft area up here as well as the additional bedrooms. So you have this nice sized loft, which is another sitting area, which would be great if you have a family and you just everyone wants to watch something different. They have the option to watch what they want to watch, chill and read, whatever the case may be, if they don't want to be in the bedroom. Got linen closet here. And this is one of the guest bedrooms, and it has a walk-in closet. As well as its own bathroom. So this particular bedroom has its own full bath inside of the bathroom. Inside of the bedroom, I misspoke. All of the bedrooms are really nice sizes. And you have your closet. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. We have the other bedroom here, other guest bedroom. So this is what bedroom number 4, including the one we looked at downstairs. So yeah, this is up to 4 bedrooms. And we're going to be looking at the owner's suite here shortly. You have a hall bath with the dual vanity. I love all the natural lighting. All right, now we are making our way. Here is another closet, but well, no, it's not actually a closet. I'm sorry. This is where the furnace is housed, but you do have some little extra storage if you want to put some stuff in there on the side. You have your second floor laundry. All right, now let's check out this owner's suite. Nice size room. You have your shower and bathtub, the garden tub, dual vanity here as well. Now I do have a new construction buyer's guide that you can definitely download. You can, of course, learn about what builders don't always explain and how to avoid some costly mistakes. And if you can see here, you have this nice walk-in closet. Now, if you found this video to be helpful, please be sure to like. Also subscribe weekly for Santan Valley and Queen Creek home tours. You can also comment Rincon and I'll send you available homes like this. I'll go ahead and make my way back downstairs. But Thank you for taking the time to watch today. Be sure to reach out to me for more pricing details and availability. My contact information is listed in the description below. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.